In this video, we will take a look at the ability to manage permissions and provisioned quota on existing Azure file shares using the Nerdio Manager. So if we look at the Nerdio Manager settings integrations page and look under the Azure Files tile, we will see all of the various Azure files and storage accounts that are linked in our environment. If we click on the name of any of these file shares, that will give us a few different options. So number one, we'll be able to manage the permissions. So if we wanted to add new SMB share contributors to this file share, we can simply start typing the name of the user or the name of the security group that you want to assign, and clicking OK will add these permissions to this Azure file share with SMB share contributor, which is something that users need in order to use this file share for FSLogic's capabilities, FSLogic's profile storage, I should say. You will also notice that on this page, there's several links. Clicking here allows you to manage the properties of Azure Files. If you are using a premium Azure File Storage account, then an additional field is the provisioned capacity. Provisioned capacity is what determines the performance and the cost of the Azure File share, regardless of how much usage there is. So the higher the provision capacity, the higher the performance. So you can come in here, and any time that you need to increase performance, you can come in and add more provision capacity. And again, you can manage the permissions on that file share as well. If you click on the account name, that will take you directly into the Azure portal to that account page. And then if you click on the share name, it will take you to the Azure portal on to that Azure file share page as well. So that is the extensive management capabilities of Azure Files with the Nerdio Manager. We talked about joining the Azure Files to domain, linking new Azure file shares, managing permissions, and managing provision quota, all from within the Nerdio Manager without having to leave and go into other portals. Hope you found this useful, and I will see you in future videos.